Well, we're gonna try this again. I haven't got much practice in the last 2 or 3 days or a week or so, but we're gonna try it some more. We're not gonna give up. Uh, I've kind of got centering down pretty good, as you can see there. So kind of skipping through the video because I didn't want to make an hour-long video just trying to get it centered. So that I kind of got that figured out a little bit. So I'm still having a little bit of trouble with getting it coned up. Haven't got even pressure on my hands, I guess. I don't know. I guess that just comes with practice, though, right? I got the video speeded up, or did I say that? Okay, let's do some coning up now. And then push it back down. Cone up. Push back down. And pretty much looks like a gumdrop now. Big fat gumdrop. And let's see. I think we're going to try to, yeah, we're going to try to find the center here as soon as I get it stable. Any minute now. So we're going to cone up one more time and then push it back down. Sorry about that noise. It was an email. I'm not going to start over. I will just have to put up with that noise. That's about as centered as I've had it in the past. It's not wobbling, which is a good thing. Okay, let's find the center and start pushing down. I'm going to open it up. The clay was really cold this morning, so it was pretty stiff. I was having trouble getting it to, to go down. I keep getting a little ridge on the top of the hole. Okay, so we got a little V opening there, and we're going to check the how close the bottom is. Need about 1/4 of an inch, maybe a little more than that. So that's about 1/2 inch or so, but we're going to do that, the 1/2 inch, because I can always trim some off the bottom. Pretty cool looking spiral, huh? I like that. It reminds you of the 60s. Oops, just dated myself. Okay, so we got it opened up pretty good. Now let's pull it out. I believe I've got too much of a. My fingers are too much curved right there. I think it shouldn't be so curved in. But I watched a guy do that. He curves his fingers in like that, makes a little trough at the bottom. So, pull it out a little bit more. There. I just wanted to try to make a coffee cup. That looks more like a, what, a 1/2 gallon coffee cup? Now we're going to try to pull up the sides, make a wall. That's about as high as I can get it right there. Otherwise it starts wobbling so bad that I can't control it, and then it all falls apart. I get a tear in the middle of it, and it's making pretzels. Yeah, see, I'm starting to lose control. So anyway, folks, that's about as better than I was, but as good as it's going to get until I figure out how to pull a wall up.